Happy Sunday, everybody. Today we are doing a tutorial on boiling water. Turn this down. On these Push-Loc systems from that everybody's using now. There is no way, Jose, that you're going to get that in that hose. So, the trick is, hold that thing in some boiling water for 20 seconds, 30 seconds. While we're waiting, here's my handprint in 1960. And to give you a perspective, here's my handprint now. Gave this to my mom in 1960. I made that for her. Yeah, you know I was an artist. Okay, so let this soak. Soak. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my coffee cup tripod. Catch how I do this. I'm gonna test it first. Make sure I got the right one here, yeah. Okay, you just gotta get it soft. And when it goes in, you gotta just, you just gotta ram it home, okay? I don't care what you say, that's how you do it. You get the hose wet and hot, and then you just ram it. Here it goes, 1, 2, 3. Oh, is that hot? Oh, is that hot? Hot. Boom. Check the ring. And you're done. You're done. And that's how you do the AN hoses. Now, if you were smart, you would have done the hoses you already done on the car first before you actually put the clamps on all the hoses from the front of the car to the back of the car. That would have been the smartest thing to do if you were smart. That's the problem. I'm not smart. Everyone have a great afternoon. I'm back at it. Gonna get this fuel system wrapped up, get some fuel in it, and pressure test it. Everybody have a great day.